everyone. Welcome to Tarot Arc. Thank you so much for being here today. This is Anandita. Thank you so much for the wonderful messages and the feedback that you people are sending. And thank you so much for the donations and energy exchange that some of you have sent. I'm really happy to know that the readings are resonating with you. I'm back here with another pick a card reading for you all. And this is a reading to let you know what's going on in your current situation. It could be any situation, it could be a relationship, anything that's on your mind, and what guidance the cards are giving you. It is a general reading for your current situation. So these are pre-shuffled cards, and I've made 3 piles here. This is pile number 1 with the Mystic Monday Tarot deck, and I'm using the Mystical Wisdom cards for guidance, and it's got the Tiger's Eye crystal. This is pile number 2, and I'm using the Rider's Waite Tarot deck along with the Moonology cards for guidance with the Amethyst crystal. And this is pile number 3. I'm using the Art of Tarot deck with the Miracle cards for guidance and the Black Tourmaline crystal on top. So please take your time, choose your pile, think about your situation. You could put your video on hold to see which pile is calling you or which pile is the one which is meant for you. Please remember that these are general readings. They may or may not resonate with your situation completely. So please take whatever resonates and leave the rest. I've mentioned the timestamps in the description below. I'll see you at your pile. So for people who've chosen pile number 1, please think about your situation. In general, what's going on in your life. People who've chosen pile number 1, there is some kind of a, obstacle wherein you're not feeling very content, you're not feeling happy. Whatever you're desiring has not really been, things have not really been in control. And maybe for a lot of you, you have the feeling of either it could be revenge or it could be a feeling of why things are not happening, a very an approach which is not a very positive approach because things haven't really worked out for you. Some of you might have faced some kind of a betrayal, some kind of a dishonest situation or a problem wherein things have hurt you. It could be a relationship which has hurt you. It could be a third party situation, or it could be somebody's dishonesty in general. Somebody's betrayed you, somebody's cheated on you. Something of that sort has happened in the past. And even though at this point in time you're ready to move towards the positive, you want to make this change, you want things to now start moving, and you're making a conscious effort from your end, but I do see some kind of a stress still cropping up for some of you, or still the last remnants of this stress or anxiety or exhaustion which are still bothering you. But yes, again, the cards are very positive when it comes to your near future, and I do see a feeling of satisfaction which at this point in time is a blockage wherein things are, you're not feeling content, and that's actually being an obstacle for some of you. So the first thing would be to change your attitude and accept that okay, whatever is happening is actually happening for your growth, for your betterment, and start thinking on those lines. A lot of you are also, there is this deep down fear of either being committed in a relationship or being cheated by somebody, because something has led to you to think like this. Something has happened in the past, some cheating, something which is now not letting you move forward. Maybe there was a rejection from somebody, maybe there was a dishonesty. Anything that has happened in the past has now become a deep down fear in you, and it is not letting you move forward. So firstly, that needs to be changed. People around you are definitely positive. They want your growth, they want you to be happy, they want things to work for you. You yourself are working very hard, but again, you might be feeling that this hard work is not really paying, or it's I'm successful but I'm not being able to really share this success with anybody, or you felt cheated and now you don't really have anybody to put forward your happiness or something. So that's really leading to a lot of stress. It's brought you to a situation wherein things are very exhausted. You are tired, you are exhausted of just facing the music all by yourself. So yes, the cards are promising, and the balance is there in your near future. Things are definitely going to change in this situation for you, and also you will be guided by the universe towards a better tomorrow, and your hard work or anything that's on your mind is definitely going to pay off. Also, I see that your intuition is extremely strong at this point in time, and also I see that your intuition is extremely strong. So connect to yourself, ask your own self for wisdom, let your higher self guide you, seek yourself, seek for answers, retrospect, change your attitude, which I said in the beginning, that change is the main thing, that a little bit of tweaking your own attitude will guide you forward, and this will happen with your own intuition, with your own connection with your higher self. Also, for a lot of you, reunion or meeting your new person, meeting a soulmate is on the cards. So please don't let yourself don't hold yourself back because of something that's happened in the past. A new relationship for a lot of you, or meeting that person, meeting an old friend is on the cards for a lot of you people. And focus is the key. Do not try to run after too many things at the same time. Be prioritize, be very focused, be very goal oriented, as in what you really need right now. And whatever weight there has been in the past, and like you felt that things are not really moving on for you, few days here and there, I definitely see things happening for you, and the weight getting over for you. Maximum time 2 months for a lot of you, for that balance to come back in your life and new beginnings to come back. I'm again repeating, there for a lot of you, when it comes to meeting a new person, meeting that special someone, that is definitely on the cards. So for people who've chosen this pile, in that aspect, things are definitely very positive. For financial reading, if you've chosen this pile, there is definitely a financial commitment, a contentment on the cards in the near future, and things are definitely going to start moving in that direction. And please do not psych yourself that things have been negative for me in the past, so this is going to carry on, and I do not think that I will ever be happy, or any of those things if they are coming in your mind, because you're changing your own destiny. Then the beginning was that your attitude needs to be tweaked, and that's what the cards are definitely saying, that first step is change your attitude. That's very important. Let's see what the mystical wisdom cards are guiding you. Enlightenment is the key. You need to pursue spiritual growth, and that's what the Mystic Monday cards have also confirmed, that spiritually your connection maybe is somewhere a little weak, or maybe it's ignored by some of you. So that's very important. Once you do that, you yourself will be guided, your own intuitions will guide you to move forward, and success is definitely on the cards on any field that you've chosen. When it comes to pile number 1, anything that's on your mind is definitely going to work for you. But enlightenment, spiritual growth, tap the spiritual aspect, connect, meditate, it's very important. Ask yourself for answers, ask yourself where you have actually gone wrong. So that was for you, pile number 1. I hope the reading was resonant with you. Please leave in your comments and feedback in the comments section. Also, you could send me your a request for general readings. I'll be happy to do them for you. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can get notified every time I post a new video. I'll be coming back with more such readings. Let's see what we have in store for people who've chosen pile number 2. Think about your situation, people who've chosen pile number 2. People who've chosen pile number 2, firstly, there's too much of up and down going on in your life at the moment. Maybe you feel happy in one instance, and the next instance something happens and you're like again back to square one. Things are really not working. Things are happening, you know. If happiness is coming to you, it's coming to you in phases. If some kind of a sorrow or some kind of a problem is coming, it's coming in phases. So sometimes you're like, my life is really going up and down at the same time. Also, you may have taken some kind of a decision in the past, a risk, a job risk, a relationship, anything that you really went ahead with has not really proven to be beneficial for you. Things have come down with a bang. Things have just, something that had really bloomed well, something that really went up well, has just come down with a crash. Too much of anxiety, too much of confusion. Also, in times to come in the near future, there is a lot of exhaustion, a lot of anxiety. Maybe for some of you, there is dishonesty, there is misconception, betrayal, cheating. Things are on a negative note at this point in time and in the near future. The problems have come at a time where you deep down are fearing that you don't even want to look at these problems. Maybe you don't have solutions, or you feel that what am I supposed to even do with all this, because you don't want to face this. Basically anything, it could be a relationship which is really troubling you, so you feel you don't want to face it. You've just ignored these things. People around you want you to move forward, and especially people who've chosen this pile again for relationships. It is something that people want you to move forward. You yourself want celebration to come in your life, some kind of event, something that you're waiting for. You're extremely waiting for a happy moment, because you're really, for some of you it could be depression. Some of you are really depressed because of something. Like I said, maybe you've ended a relationship on a bad note, or you've lost a job, or some venture you had started which has really not worked well, some kind of a business venture. So things are at the moment very stressful, and you're waiting for something to bloom, something happy to happen. 2 months from now, things are definitely going to be very positive for people who've chosen this pile. If you were planning a family, or in the past you had taken that decision of, family planning, conception, conceiving, or those kind of things, and maybe it was a negative thing that came out, or you were not able to be successful in that. So for those people, for those couples, for those women, 2 months from now, definitely the right time for you to start a family, to think on those lines. Also, for people who are in the creative field, if you have had some kind of a problem in your past job or in your career or anything, a great time coming for you within the next 2 months for you to start off anything on your creative front. Things will change for you and for the betterment. Right now the feeling is to just leave everything. Like I said, you just want everything to, you want to ignore things, you don't want to really face them, and you're tired, you're exhausted, because there's too much of pressure at the same time on any front. You want some kind of help, you want to share this burden with somebody. You're tired of doing it all by yourself, but very soon everything will just change for you. And on the financial front, I see things getting better. People who've chosen this pile and are concerned about higher education, studying further, things are definitely positive for you. And do not take stress. Stress is really playing up on your health. Leave things to destiny, leave things to the Almighty. It will all take place on its own. You don't need to really worry. And new commitments, new partnerships are on the cards for you. People who feel that they want that commitment in a relationship, or want that special someone to come in their life, and marriage or all those things, they are on the cards. I see, things going further, partnerships, commitments, relationships going further. Whatever betrayal, whatever, I do see a past betrayal or something which is, right now going on, and you are a little, you're feeling that your person is deceiving you, or you're finding something fishy. Then at this point in time, it's right for you to actually look into this situation, because presently that situation is carrying around, wherein you either have been betrayed, or could be some kind of a cheating, somebody is lying to you, maybe on your work front. If you're finding things fishy, please look into the matter and do not trust anybody at this point in time. Make sure that whatever commitments, whatever signings, whatever you're doing, your documents, you're checking them on your own. It's just a very small phase, it's a temporary phase. It's just at this point in time. The future definitely holds positive changes, things definitely getting better. Some of you might get into some kind of arguments, some kind of confusions, little bit of fighting here and there, and then you might just decide, I want to just ignore this situation, why get into it further? And that's the best thing for you. Just ignore things will automatically become better for you. Confusion for a lot of you is on the cards at present. 24 days from now, for people who've chosen this particular pile number 2, new opportunities, things getting better, a positive period entering your life. And like I said, celebration, you are hoping for some kind of celebration, you are wanting change. That change is bound to happen, but some time is left till you reach that phase of your life. And also remember that the Moonology cards are guiding you. You yourself are good enough. So even if this time is not really supporting you, please do not feel that you're not worthy or you don't deserve happiness. It's just a time-taking thing. Things are definitely getting better. Also, for a lot of you, a new romantic cycle begins. I already said, leave everything to the divine, leave everything to the universe. Things are planned for you. Let it happen. Even if it's happening slow and steady, it's fine, because it is there. You're very close to achieving your goals. So even if this stress is bogging you down, just hang in there, push yourself a little more. Ignoring it is fine. You can just leave the situation, since it's just not helping you to really find any solution. A personal issue definitely reaches solutions for a lot of you. For a lot of you, a new romantic cycle is on the cards. Like I said, the present situation is not that great, but I do see something better coming out for you people who are in who have chosen pile number 2. Release all the negativity, release all the stress that you are in at the moment. Let new beginnings come. They will only come once this exhaustion, once this tiredness is released. Take time to breathe out, release this negativity, people who've chosen pile number 2. And your answers are coming. Whatever answers you need, they are coming. A climax is approaching you people. So just wait for it, let things unfold. Release all the negativity that's in you, people who've chosen pile number 2. That's what all the cards are saying. And luck is coming to you. Luck is coming on your side. Whatever had to happen has already happened. And for a lot of you, some things are left. They are just round the corner. They are just about to happen, and your negative cycle is ready to finish after that. So just wait for some more time. Just, have faith that things will change for you, and it is on the cards that changes are going to happen very soon for people who've chosen pile number 2. So I hope the reading was resonant with you people who chose pile number 2. Please leave in your comments and feedback in the comments section. You could also leave in your requests for general readings. Please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you so much. I'll be coming back soon. Let's see what we have in store for people who've chosen pile number 3. The current situation, whatever you are in, and what the guidance the cards are giving you. People who've chosen pile number 2, firstly, everything is planned and you are facing a very, a spiritually blessed time in your life at this point in time. So everything that's happening for you is being taken care by the universe. There is divine intervention. So there's no need to worry about anything. And maybe your attitude or a very, the lack of motivation from your end might be becoming a little obstacle for you in achieving some certain things in your life. You might be facing some kind of a little dullness or stagnancy, but that's because of your own attitude. You are not really geared up in either achieving your goals or your relationship, but from the universe, from the divine, from the almighty, everything is set. And maybe even whatever you're moving forward is all thanks to divine grace. For some of you, there's some kind of a confusion on the cards in present, some decisions that you need to make. So please, weigh your pros and cons. This is a time for you to contemplate, weigh your pros and cons, see the advantages, disadvantages. You might feel a little stressed out about taking these decisions or something, but these are all very nitty-gritty things. On the whole, firstly, again, there is divine intervention, and maybe you're feeling that some of you are maybe fearful that, I hope the Almighty is with me, I hope God is with me. So yes, they are confirming that you keep doing your bit, have that attitude of achieving, have that enthusiastic attitude, and rest, the universe is taking care of you. You keep doing your karma and let the universe back you with its grace. Also, it's a time wherein rewards are coming to you. People around you are very positive, they want things to happen for you. A beautiful time for family life, family bliss, relationships to bloom, relatives, friends, family, everything, all relationships are taken care of at this point in time. Whatever hard work you put in, you will get the results. A beautiful time for health, wealth, peace, prosperity, everything on your side, people who've chosen this particular pile. And already you must be feeling that things are going well. Like I said, a few confusions here and there, or maybe some things not really going very fast, but you are reaching, and a few stresses here and there which are very minor, very temporary. So that's really not an issue to be bothered about. Financial help for a lot of you who need it is definitely on the cards. And also, maybe you have worked very hard in the past and now you just feel that you don't want to put in more efforts or that kind of a thing. So just push yourself a little more, because everything has been planned and divine grace is on you. New opportunities, new proposals, everything is on the cards for people who've chosen this pile. And it's a time to look forward, it's a time to make a wish, it's a time to hope for new things to happen. And like I said, some kind of a confusion, something that's there on the cards is definitely getting cleared. Partnerships, relationships, they are all here to bloom. A lot of you coming, either getting into a relationship or taking the relationship to the next level, progressing it, some kind of a formal commitment for a lot of you. Maybe it could be a relationship for business, work that has been on your mind and you've been working hard towards it, and now it's there just to get completed, and you have come to a stage wherein you're not really putting that final effort. So just push yourself, and things are definitely here to stay for people who, you just need to put this last effort. You might be feeling that now it's enough, I'm not being able to do this more because I've already put in a lot of effort. Now I'm just leaving it to God. So yes, God is with you, Almighty is with you, but do your last bit, do your best, don't ignore these things. Everything is in favor. Focus and complete your goals. Intuitions are very correct at this point in time. So connections with your own self to get answers, to push yourself forward is the key. 2 months for a lot of you to just see yourself blooming, see yourself reaching those results, and things will just, whatever efforts you've put are here to, everything, justice is for you. You have put in the effort, you will get the result. And the cards are promising, fulfilling a feeling of completion, a feeling of satisfaction for people who've chosen this pile. But just do that last bit, because now if you just leave this right now in the end and you're like just putting it on the Almighty that okay, now let it just let just God take care of this, it's really not the right time to leave this incomplete, because then things will just fall down, your efforts will just go and wane. So just 3.5 weeks for a lot of you, 24 days, 3.5 weeks for a lot of you to see the results, to find that new beginning, to push yourself just for some more time, and see then that once all this effort is done, how the Almighty takes charge. Almighty will just protect you. It will just, whatever risks, whatever new things you've planned, they will all be taken care of by the universe. But at this point in time, your work is not complete, so you need to push yourself further. Don't have that laid back attitude at the last stage which you are in. And I'm again repeating, people who've chosen this pile for finances, you will get financial help. I see you saving, I see you being able to restore whatever finances you need to. Balance is on the cards. Your yin and yang will be balanced by the universe. Peace, prosperity, balance is definitely on the cards for people who've chosen this pile. Beautiful time for women to plan a family, to think of family planning if that's what is on your mind. Connect to nature, be childlike. Beautiful time for whatever is it's very clear in the cards that your efforts are going to be paid off in no time. So just keep working, keep putting in your last efforts, and see how the universe supports you. Basically, the cards are very supporting. The universe is supporting you for whatever you're doing. Focus is the key, and for a lot of you, unexpected fortunes, unexpected happiness, celebration is on the cards for people who've chosen pile number 3. And confusions are getting cleared. So in the beginning also I said that please make your choices, please see what advantages, disadvantages, pros and cons, whatever there are on the mind, and don't feel disheartened because things are taking some time. Like I said, your efforts are getting rewards, everything is moving, but maybe it's going slow and steady for some of you, and that's what just makes you feel that you want to just walk away, you want to just leave in between. So don't do that. The wait is getting over. Release any negativity that's coming in from the past, any exhaustion that's coming in from the past, anxiety, stress that are coming out, are pent up inside you and are not being able to get released, and you're carrying them from some kind of a past relationship or work or job or some kind of a betrayal. This is the time that your struggle is finally getting completed. So why not, it's just, there is no more looking back, there is no more looking at a struggling phase. So then why not get that feeling of victory, encouragement, and move forward, because success is on the cards for people who've chosen pile number 3. Everything will work out for you within no time, 3.5 weeks, 24 days for a lot of you, and also 2 months time. So just connect, ask for your answers from your own self. Your intuitions are high. You will be guided yourself for the next move by your own self. Talk to your higher self. Good news is arriving soon. The miracle cards are confirming great spiritual growth will be experienced for people who've chosen pile number 3. So it's amazing how these cards are just saying exactly the same thing, but same as each other. The cards are confirming that the angels are watching over and protecting over you. So just put in your best efforts, people who've chosen pile number 3. And for a lot of you, maybe traveling is on the cards, and it's going to be beneficial also. So that was for you. Make your surroundings very positive. Release that negativity that's coming in from somewhere from the past. People who've chosen pile number 3. Miracles are there. Expect miracles to happen. I just said that unexpected miracles, unexpected fortunes are coming your way. So miracles are on your, are on their way at any time, and you need inner guidance. That's what the, tarot, Art of Tarot deck has also said, that inner guidance is very important. Connect to yourself, connect to your higher self for getting the wisdom, the clarity, and you're on a path of divine cosmic energy which is taking you to seek clarity towards success, and this is the right path for you. So like I said, a lot of confusion might be going on, but you will be able to clear this clutter. You will be very clear. You'll get clarity of the situation, clarity of what exactly you need to know, and ask for inner guidance in the purest form, and see how you will get it, how your soul will get illuminated and give you guidance. Look beyond yourself and don't be afraid to aim high, people who've chosen pile number 3. So like I just said, that the Art of Tarot deck has also said that this is your last bit of pushing yourself. So please meditate, ask for inner guidance, do that last bit of hard work that it's required, and then see how the universe really takes you forward. And do not be afraid of taking risks, do not be afraid of aiming high, because everything is planned for you, people who've chosen pile number 3. So that was for you. I hope the reading was helpful and resonant for you. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you get notified every time I post a new video. You could leave in your comments and feedbacks in the comments section. You could send me a request for general readings. I'll be coming back with more such readings. Stay tuned to my channel. Thank you so much once again. Take care and stay safe.